Women leaders seem top of mind when it comes to the national elections happening in 2 years. And so far, only Vice President Sara Duterte has declared a 2028 run. But the girl power theme is resonating. More from mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes.
Ako si Sara Duterte. Tatakbo bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Shukran.
After this announcement, the next question is, who will her running mate be? Senator Amy Marcos? Senator Rodante Marcoleta? Or Senator Bongo? Staunch Duterte supporter Jimmy Bondoc says, don't write off Senator Robin Padilla just yet.
Among the very good candidates for VP, because ang Vice President usually is an advocate, no? And si Robin is a very strong advocate of even difficult issues.
But Padilla is non-committal at this point, although he has another tandem in mind. How about President Marcos's 2022 running mate and his sister?
Amy as VP, sir, yan ang tinutulak niyo. Do you think, sir, handa ang Pilipino sa parehas na babaeng leader po?
Panahon na para maramdaman ng mga Pinoy ang girl power.
Girl power? The palace does not think so.
Sila din po ang dating tinawag na Team Itim. So ngayon po wala pong maaaring tugon at hindi pa po tumutugon o nagre-react ang Pangulo patungkol po dyan.
Then, there's Senator Bongo, ex-President Duterte's former aide.
Huwag muna natin pag-usapan yung politika po sa ngayon. Trabaho muna tayo. Yun ang kailangan ng Pilipino sa ngayon. Buo po ang aking suporta sa kanyang desisyon. No?
Senator Bam Aquino has also been floated as Sara's running mate. That's after scoring points with Duterte supporters when he said extrajudicial killings during the drug war should first be tried in the Philippines before being brought to the ICC. But in a Facebook post, Aquino was clear, quote, I will not run for Vice President in 2028. It is not clear if Bam is closing the doors as well in running side-by-side with ally, former Vice President Leni Robredo. Robredo has time and again said she intends to finish a full 9-year term as Naga City Mayor. But will she change her mind? And if she does, will Senator Erwin Tulfo be a good running mate?
No, I'm nakakatama po ng puso pero I don't have plans eh. Whatever it is, yun lang makatalo kahit sino pa man dyan. No, I would say thank you. Pero I'm kind of tired. Hindi pa nga tapos 2025. I don't have plans to run for higher office. Ang hirap pala. I mean, kawawa ka, kawawa yung family mo. Dapat Leni Robredo siguro at saka yung mga kasama niya sa liberal.
For Liberal Party member and former Budget Secretary Butch Abad, if it's girl power the country is after, Robredo and Senator Risa Ontiveros are a good combination.
Bakit hindi? Dahil si Senator Risa naman kung titignan mo yung kanyang performance sa Senado napakagaling naman siyang bilang isang policy maker. Kaya meron ding kakayahang mamuno si Senator Risa.
Kapatid mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes, we are One News.